If a person believes they are Muslim but gives false information about Islam, are they still a Muslim? And what if most of their practice is false Islam?
It's very dangerous question, and the most dangerous position is our Maturidi position, because we say deceiving the people is actually kufr. For example, attributing to God something that he is free from, okay, or giving false information on behalf of God, saying this is halal and that is haram. So that is, according to our position, it is kufr, okay. But then we have to find out what exactly they're talking about. So maybe it could be about fasting, for example, on Mondays, which is sunnah. So then this person says, yeah, it is not sunnah, we do not say that he is kafir. But the kufr could be only in two main reasons. One is to describe God on the way that he is free from. For example, this person say, yeah, God actually can, if he wants, he can punch. Definitely that's kufr, okay. Or for example, he may say, if God wants, he can drink a cup of water. That is kufr, okay. That is one thing. And the second thing is for example, fabricate compulsions and prohibitions on behalf of God, but God didn't give permission to anyone to say this is prohibited and that is compulsory, but it's only the right of God to clarify what is compulsory and what is prohibited. So for example, this person comes saying, yes, to keep a beard is compulsory, but God never said that, Prophet never said that, okay. But it is issue of sunnah, recommended. But to convert it into fard or to convert it into haram, that is quite a dangerous thing actually, yes. So these are two fields in which person may commit kufr by lying on behalf of God, yes.
Jazakallah khair. And would most people consider them still to be a Muslim, and would you consider them to still be a Muslim?
Yes, because we say sometimes some person may commit kufr but he will not be kafir, so he may have his own excuses, yes.
Okay.